Hello, one of the things when I've been talking about our IONIQ electric and it's having the sort of great aerodynamics that give it kind of world-class, sort of world-leading efficiency for an electric car, one of the things people comment, and also when I talk about other cars like the Kona, e-Niro Model 3, is that this kind of shape, this kind of wedge shape, reduces the amount of flexibility you've got when loading items into the IONIQ electric. So, does this shape really affect things? And is it a problem to have this kind of loading area and so on in the IONIQ? This week I've been moving some big things around, an 88 key weighted sort of keyboard controller, and also a sort of compact full drum kit. So let's see if they fit in the IONIQ. So first here we can see the weighted keyboard, the piano controller, and this fits between the back of the IONIQ and it's not encroaching on the front seats. And that was fine. And now we can see my former compact drum kit. And this is outside the car, and then I managed to load it in. Again, didn't need to put anything in the front seat here. You can see the front seat is still free. And everything was laid flat and fine, not causing any problems. And yet it fit in. So admittedly, there is the kind of, when this sort of hatch comes up, there's a limited load height, so you've got to be aware of that. And I don't think I would fit in my IONIQ electric the big winged armchair that I once carried in my Nissan Leaf, which has a kind of more conventional hatchback, deeper boot and taller loading area. But it's pretty good actually. I was quite surprised that I got the drum kit in, no bother, and a piano keyboard, admittedly in separate trips, not in the same one, although they probably would have fit, but they were going to different people. So yeah, just a quick summary that yes, you can fit big items in the IONIQ if you're careful. You don't necessarily need to go for a Kona or another car worrying about that. Dogs and other things where you're worried about the kind of load height might be an issue. But yeah, it's pretty good. So just a quick sort of video there on that, because quite a few people had asked about it and I had the opportunity to test it. Yeah, so please subscribe if you'd like to see more videos from me. There's more things coming soon, longer videos. And bye for now.